weight, and age. Data frames are really useful in R actually. Okay, so let's move on by creating a list, which another data type in R. So a list is a data structure having components of mixed data types. We can create a list containing strings, number, vectors, and a logical value. List can be explicitly created using the list function. So let's use the list function. And we said that in the list, so it can contain numeric value, character, and logical. So here, let's give a name for our list. Let's call it X. And we use the assignment operator to say that X is a list. So we are assigning this result to X. Okay. So let's have a visualization of our list. And here we see that our list has numeric, character, and logical value. Let's go on to see how to create an array. And this is the last data type we will see today. Arrays can contain multidimensional rectangular shape data storage structure. Actually, an array is a special type. Actually, a matrix is a special type of array. Since it's a two-dimensional array, a vector is a one-dimensional array. Be aware that arrays can contain only homogeneous data, so elements having a similar data type. Let's see how to create an array. So this is how to create an array. Let's create first two vectors of dissimilar length. We have the first vector named A. We use the assignment operator. We have 6 components in our vector: 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's create the second vector, which is B, the same way. But this vector actually has more components. And let's create our array. So how to do that? We use the array function and we combine the two vectors A and B by using the concatenate function. Then we give the dimension of the array. So we want the dimension of the array to be 3, 3, and 2. And we call the array array1. We use the assignment operator. Actually, in our next training session, we will go deeper in these data types and data structures in R. So please don't be scared about all this. We will have a deeper look on it in our next training session. Now we created our array. Let's have a look at it. And here we have a visualization of our array in the console. Okay. Once you have written your script in R, it's easy to save it. So you go File, Save As, You give a name to your file. We call it workshop R ladies. And you click on save. Whenever you go to the files, you will have the listing of your files here, and you will see that workshop rladies.r has been saved. So if, for example, the following day or you have to use your script, just open it and you will get your script. So here you will get all your R scripts. Okay, so we saw the different data types in R. We said vector, matrix, lists, arrays, and data frames. That's all for today. So now.
Thank you, Hédia. Thank you, ladies, for this interesting presentation. Thank you all for your attention. Now I think we have timing for your questions, please. So for those who couldn't follow us at the same time, don't worry about it. We will share with you all the workshop materials, and we will send you a link form as well to give your feedbacks and take them into account for the next meetups. So before finishing, let me please remind you briefly of what we looked at during this presentation. We started by showing you how to install R and RStudio at your own machine. We have also showed you how to get started with RStudio Cloud that you can access on any browser. Next, Hédia talked about the basics of R as the variables assignment, the most used one, let's say, as the numeric variables, characters, vectors, array, and lists. That's all from us today. Thank you again for listening. We were glad to thank you. We were glad to launch Our Ladies Tunis with you today. Dear listeners, don't forget that our own aim is to encourage you to get further with our programming and to develop your skills, and make sure you don't miss our daily coding challenge and our one package per day challenge. And we will keep you updated. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, etc. accounts. And have a good day.
Just want to add something. So we will send you a link form to give your feedbacks via email. And thank you. Glad you joined us.
Thank you, Mouna.
Thank you,
ladies.
Thank you very much. I also have a point. So if you have a specific topic in R, or we want us to talk about a package, just drop us an email at tunis@ourladies.org. And also feel free to reach us via social media.
Next training session will be about our data types and structures, but we will go through every data structure and data type in R, and we will explain it more in depth. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Goodbye. See you. Thank you.